So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I will try to clear a major doubt for all those students who have got the preparatory rank. You may be from category SC, ST or PWD, but the general information is same for you, that is preparatory courses. You will able to get the preparatory course based on your preparatory rank, not the original courses. I think all of you know because I have already provided lots of video regarding this last year and this year as well. So the thing is, based on your preparatory rank, you will able to get the preparatory course, and for preparatory course the admission will be given against the vacant seat that will be remaining after providing the seat to SC, ST and PWD candidate, that is original seat. Once there will be any vacancy, that will be given to preparatory rank a student in the respective category. So if you will ask what will be the cutoff of preparatory, so it is not possible to predict because I don't know how many seats will be remaining vacant. So you have to do the choice filling very carefully. And now the question arises, for preparatory courses how I will do the choice filling. So it is similar, same as NIT choice filling, IIIT, because in JOSA counseling there is only one place for choice filling and you have to do the choice filling there only. So now the confusion start whether I should take the preparatory course or NIT with CSE or IIIT with CSE. So it needs a detailed discussion because I don't know about your personal situation, what you want to do, because in preparatory courses lots of risk are involved, and also if you want to leave that in NIT there is some risk, but what you should do, what you should not, both are good, but it depends on your interest. So I will try to discuss that in detail once you register with my guidance, and I will guide you for choice filling, decision making after each round up to admission is done. And the unique feature is that I will be available for you all the time from 10 AM up to midnight. You can call me or text me any number of times. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. Once again, I would like to repeat, the preparatory rank means you will get the preparatory course only, and preparatory course will be given against those vacant seats that will be remaining from SC, ST and PWD category. So hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting all the updated information up to your admission is done this year. Thanks. And here you can see the detail of the counseling that I will cover. That is almost every counseling across India, that is JOSA, CSAP, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSTCT, UPTU, BITS counseling, OJE, WBJE, COMEDK, KSET, VIT, EEE, Manipal, SRM, Amrita, GoodSet and other counseling as well, that is centralized, decentralized, state level counseling, all type of counseling I will cover. Yeah, so here what I will focus mostly is college selection, college comparison with choice filling, that is personalized choice filling I'm discussing with you. Branch selection is also important. Most important feature is that 24/7, that is all the time you can ask your question. After 10 AM you can contact me any number of time for any type of doubt or discussion. Up to first you need to contact me, then do the registration. So nominal charge will be applicable as I will be providing you the personal time, so it will take lots of